Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to Orca Automation Lab. In this video, I'm going to install the Eclipse. So, how to install Eclipse in Windows? So, first, let me go to Google and search for Eclipse download. Select the first link. Scroll down and go to Get Eclipse ID 2023. Click on download this button, and you can also download from here, and you can download the exe file. Yeah, it will take some time to download this file. So once your file got successfully downloaded, then you can go and click on this, double click on the file. So once the window is open, you can go on to select. You will see a bunch of options here. If you're working for a Java development, or maybe the any testing related things like Selenium Java or something kind of things, or Java programming, you can go and select the second option. Select Eclipse ID for Enterprise Java web application web developers. Okay, and in this window, so keep it as it is. So there is a JDK. Okay, Java 17 plus version virtual machine, and installation folder automatically shows here. I just click on the install button. So for this installation, okay, yeah. So once it is installed, you can go and click on the launch button. Okay, so the default workspace is your username and so users C drive users and your username, and this is Eclipse workspace. If you want to change your workspace where you want to keep all your project folders, you can change, like example, I can use Java programming launch. Do not check this checkbox, okay, because if you want to change your workspace in the future, okay, that's going to be problem. Just without selecting the checkbox, you can click on the launch button. Yeah, so once your Eclipse code open, then you can go to we'll just create some sample projects. Okay, one is Java project, another one is a Maven project. So first, let me create a sample project. Go to file, navigate to new, and you'll see the bunch of projects type here: Maven, Enterprise, Dynamic, and all. You can just select the project here, and you will see Java project here. Okay, select this, and this is the one way. And if you want to select from here, click on the create a project. Okay, it will come to the same place, Java project. You can give any name. Okay, I'm giving Java programming. Okay, and here you don't need to select any Java programming, sorry, environment JRE. It's automatically default 17 version is there. Click on finish button, and if you want to use this perspective, you can use it, or else not required. Open perspective. Okay, you see the left side pane, you see SRC modeling for Java. Just remove this file, it's not required. Okay, so now I want to create a sample class here, Java class. Go to right click on the SRC, new class. Okay, so I'm using sample. Okay, and select the main method and give the package name, example, Java program. Okay, so this is the package name, this is the class name. So in this, let me change the font here. If you want to change the font, go to preferences, type font here, colors, text, text font. So I can select mine. Yes, so if you want to print something, SY is a shortcut for printing the system.out.println, printing the logs, or printing the console information. Okay, welcome to Java programming. Right click, run as Java application, printed. All right. So this is a sample project. Okay, you can create a number of classes here. You can write down math functions. Okay, if you want to create a main method, you don't need to write the public static void main. Just type main, control space, enter. Automatically, it will generate the main method. All right. So this is a sample Java project. Okay, I'm going to create another project. It is called Maven project. Go to File, New, and you can select others and type Maven. Okay. So Maven module, Maven project. Click select this one. Next. So here in this window, you can select the checkbox, create a simple project. Next, and try to give the group ID and artifact ID. So group ID is just simple group ID, and artifact is your project name. Okay. So if you want to give a meaningful name of your project, you can give here. Example, I'm using for my project. Okay, my project is Flipkart, Flipkart automation. Okay, and for this I'm using com dot project dot development or testing, maybe testing. Finished up. So if we expand this Maven project, okay, you will see there are four different folders: SRC main Java, SRC main resources, SRC test Java, SRC test resources. Okay, but in the normal project, you will see only one SRC folder, that is source folder, where you have to keep all your classes interface and all. Okay, but here, based on your development techniques, okay, you can go on to create your different files in the different locations. Okay. Yeah, that's it for guys. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see in the next session.